Good morning, one and all. God bless you. Welcome to Maths class. Last class we have discussed depend upon the sums of the set operations. Union of two sets, intersection of two sets, difference of two sets, and complementation. Okay. In this class we are going to discuss applications of the operations of sets. From the exercise 1.3, the fourth sum, let U is equal to set of all 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and A is equal to set of all odd numbers 1 to 7, and B is equal to set of all 0, 2, 3, 5, 7. Find the following sets. This slide questions already we have discussed because the third sum is the same manner of this question. Okay. So here I find some answers only. Remaining all questions you find out. This is your homework. Okay. The first question, A complement. How to find the A complement? Omit A from the universal set. The complement represents the universal set. Omit A from the universal set. Omitting this value from this universal set. So omit 1, 3, 5, 7. So remaining only one to write. So remaining numbers are 0 and 2, 4, 6. That's all. This is A complement. So you find out the B complement. Then third question, A complement union B complement. This is your homework also. This like questions already we do. Okay, we done. Then the fourth question, this is also we have discussed. Okay. Then the fifth question. The first three questions are your homework. Then the fifth question, A union B the whole dash. A union B, first one to find is A. This is for A. This is B. So join together. You write the set value is A union B. So write. In ascending order 0, compare both the set A and B. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, last time we have 5, 7. That's all. This is A union B. Why I am find this A union B? Last time we find out directly A union B the whole dash. So first want to find A union B, then find A union B the whole dash. Okay. So now omit A union B value from the universal set. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. So omitting from the universal set. So remaining numbers are set of all 0 omitted 1, 2, 3, then 4. 4 is appear in the set, then 5, 6, 7 omitted. So that's your answer. Next, this is also your homework. First find out A intersection B. Then find out the whole complement. Okay. This is your homework. Seventh question. A complement, the whole complement. A complement, already have the answers. The A complement, the whole complement means omitting A complement from the universal set. So omit this value from the universal set. So 0, remaining 1. 0, 0 are omit, remaining 1. Then 2 omitted 3, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, that's all. So A complement, the whole complement is equal to set of all 1, 3, 5, 7. That's all. Next, the 8th question as well as your homework. Because this like questions we have already discussed in the earlier class or last class. Okay, so you find out the remaining questions answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions you have homework. Okay, next question, the fifth one. Find the symmetric difference between the following sets. Symmetric difference formula. Consider any two sets A and B means A symmetric difference B. The triangle shape read as symmetric difference. A symmetric difference B equal to A difference B union B difference A. This is your formula. Okay. find the symmetric difference formula. A symmetric difference B is equal to A difference B union B difference A. The question is P is equal to set of all 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and Q is equal to set of all 1, 3, 5, 11. Find the symmetric difference. The solution here given P and Q two sets. So rearranging the formula, P symmetric difference Q equal to P difference Q union Q difference P. First find out B difference Q, then find Q difference P. Together to write A P symmetric difference Q you get. Okay. First find out B difference Q. B difference Q. So already known this result. P difference Q, how to find? Omitting Q from P. Okay. This is already known. P difference Q means omitting Q from P. Omitting Q from P. So 2 does not be excess. Thus P is fixed. Want to write P elements only. 2. Then 3 appear. Compare both the set. Then 5 is appear. Then 7, 11 is omitted. Omitting Q from P. This is the result. Next, we want to find Q difference P. Q difference B is equal to. Now omitting P from Q. Omitting P from Q. Now Q is fixed. So 1, here does not exist 1. Then 3 exists. 5 exists. 11 exists. So the singleton set 1 only remains. Now find out P symmetric difference Q. It is equal to P difference Q union Q difference P. Substituting the value P difference Q answer set of all 2 and 7 union of Q difference B set of all 1. Singleton set 1. Then the union of two set is find all the elements 1, 2, 7. This is P symmetric difference Q answer. Have you understood? How to find the symmetric difference? This is a formula. When consider two A and B are given two sets, A symmetric difference B is equal to A difference B union B difference A. This is your formula for find symmetric difference. Next, the second question. Now R and S only given. Solution. First rearrange the formula. R symmetric difference S equal to R symmetric difference S is equal to R difference S union S difference R. Okay, S difference R. Find first R difference S, which is equal to omitting S from R, J. First L, R is fixed, so L is exists, so L is omitted. Then M does not be exists, so N exists. O does not be exists. Then P does not be exists. That's all. This is for answer of R difference S. Then find S difference R. S difference R is equal to set of R. Now omit R from S. Omit R from S. S is fixed. So J. Here J does not appear. So J. Then N, Q. Q does not appear. That's all. The final R difference S is equal to R difference S union S difference R. R symmetric difference S equal to R difference S union S difference R. Substituting the answer R difference S M O P. Set about M O P. The union of S difference R J and Q only. J Q. Then the union of two sets, that is R symmetric difference S equal to J M O T Q. Okay, this is your symmetric difference for the given question. Okay, have you understood the symmetric difference find out method? Okay, now third question. So the third question is your homework. Okay, sixth question. Using the set symbols, write down the expressions for the shaded region in the following. Using the set symbols. The set symbols are union, intersection, difference, and complement, and symmetric difference. These are the symbols of set. Okay, consider the Venn diagram. So two sets are overlapping. So X and Y. That universal set given. What is the answer of this? Carefully listen the diagram. So only the shaded region appear in the Y terms. Strictly omitted the X. So Y difference X. It is correct. Y difference X. Omit X from Y. So Y only appear. This is the answer of this one. So using the set symbols. Here using the set symbols difference. Okay, R Y difference X. Okay. Then the second diagram, carefully listen. So here X and Y only missing. Remaining all the portions are shaded. Okay. So together Y, X and Y missing. So X and Y together missing. Missing means the complement. So X union Y, the whole complement. So omitting X union Y portion from the universal set. From the universal set, omit this X and Y only. Have you understood this one? Okay. The third one, consider this one. So first, X difference Y. How like you get? This is a universal set. Okay. So X difference Y means X only shaded, omitting Y fully. Okay. Then Y difference X. How to find? Y difference X means, so omit X, Y only appears. Y only appears. So compare both the diagram. Here this portion only appear. Here this side only appear. So comparing to the both the figure, we get this line. So the result of this one is X difference Y union Y difference X. Or you have a formula. This is equivalent to X symmetric difference Y. This is the formula of X symmetric difference Y equal to X difference Y union Y difference X. So that's all in our question. Okay, dear students. Next, seventh question. Let A and B be two overlapping sets and the universal set be U. Universal set represents U. Draw appropriate Venn diagram. Now want to draw the Venn diagram for each of the following. The questions are given. Okay. The solution. The first question A union B. First draw the general diagram. This is universal set. Then two sets are overlapping. A and B are overlapping. Okay, so this is a joint set. The first question A union B want to find. A union B. A union B means shaded only A and B. Fully shaded. That means union. Together two shaded A and B. Okay, this is the answer of first one. Have you understood? A union B. Shaded A and B both. The union represents the both of them. Okay. Then the second one, solution. Draw the general diagram and form the overlapping AB. Okay. Now the question is A intersection B. A intersection B. Okay. A intersection B, A intersection. The intersection mentioned common to the A and B. A and B common portion lies on here. Okay. This is A, this is fully B. If we share A and B separately, we get the common portion for this. So this is the A intersection B portion. Have you understood? Okay. The third one. This is for third one. The two sets are overlapping A and B. This is universal set. The question is A intersection B, the whole complement. A intersection B, the whole complement. Okay. So A intersection B, the whole complement. First, omit A intersection B from universal set. This is universal set. Omit A intersection B portion. Omit this one. Okay, this is A intersection B. Omit this portion from the universal set. The dash mentioned the universal set. So remaining all other places are shared. Draw a cross line. Don't share fully. This is the A intersection B whole complement answer. Have you understood for first three questions? Fourth one. B difference A the whole complement. This is a universal set. A, B. The question is B difference A the whole complement. Omit B difference A answer from the universal set. B difference A. First you find. Okay. B difference A. Omit A from B. Omit A from B. Okay. So this portion only exists. Omit A. Fully omit. Then we get the B portion. B difference A. Then find B difference A whole complement. This is A, this is B. B difference A the whole complement. Now, so this is B difference A answer, omitting this one from the general diagram. Omit this portion only. Okay. So remaining all other portions are 1 to share. That's all. Omit this portion. This is your answer of B difference A whole complement. Okay. So omit B difference portion only. Have you understood? In solution, first find out the A complement. This is overlapping sets A and B, the universal set. A complement. Omit A from the universal set. This is A. Omit A from the universal set. So remaining all portions are on to side. This is the A difference answer. Omitting A. Then find B. B complement. B complement. These given two sets are overlapping. Universal set. B complement. Omit B now. So in this diagram, come into this line. So now omit only B. Okay, I have understood. Then find A complement union B complement. A complement union B complement. B universal. So A complement union B complement. Draw together first two diagram. Okay, A complement union B complement. First draw this diagram. then draw this one. This one has A also Saturn region. So A. So remaining you get this only the empty portion. So compare both the one. This is the empty one. Okay, this is A complement union B complement answer. This like you follow the procedure. Find out the sixth sum. A complement intersection B complement. Okay, have you understood the answers? Then seventh one. What do you observe from the Venn diagram? Third and fifth. Third and fifth. So what do you observe the third and fifth? This is fifth answer. Okay. Here I draw the third question answer. This is the third one. A intersection B the whole complement. This is for third. A intersection B the whole complement. Intersection portion only omitted. Okay, so this like coming. Okay, so now also get this is only not shaded. So compare third and fifth. We get A intersection B the whole complement equal to, this is equal to A complement union B complement. One result exists. This diagram, these two diagrams are equal, so A intersection B the whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. This is your result. Have you understood all the question and answers? Okay, next class we are going to discuss another one topic. Thank you. God bless you.